Hello everyone, welcome to Key Cyber. For more updates related to cybersecurity, stay tuned with our social media handles and also subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for new updates. Today we are going to discuss about and see the practical of how we can use steganography without using tool. So first we will discuss about what is exactly steganography, what are the types of steganography, what are the different types of steganography techniques. So let's get started. The first one is what is steganography. It is data hidden within data. Steganography is an encryption technique that can be used along with cryptography as an extra secure method in which to protect data. Steganography techniques can be applied to image, a video file or an audio file typically. However, steganography is written in characters including hash marking, but its usage within images is also common. At any rate, steganography protects from pirating copyrighted materials as well as aiding in unauthorized viewing. The next we are going to discuss about what are the steganography techniques. Depending on the nature of the cover object, steganography can be divided into 5 types. First one is text steganography, second one is image steganography, third one is video steganography, fourth one is audio steganography, and fifth one is network steganography. We'll discuss or we'll see each and every techniques in detail. Text steganography. Text steganography is hiding information inside the text file. It involves things like changing the format of existing text, changing words within a text, generating random character sequences, or using context-free grammars to generate readable text. Various techniques used to hide the data in the text are format-based method, random and statistical generation, linguistic method. The second one is image steganography. Hiding the data by taking the cover object as the image is known as image steganography. In digital steganography, images are widely used cover sources before. There are a huge number of bits present in the digital representation of an image. There are a lot of ways to hide information inside an image. Common approaches include least significant bit insertion, masking and filtering, redundant pattern encoding, encrypt and scatter, coding and cosine transformation. The next one is audio steganography. In audio steganography, the secret message is embedded into an audio signal which alters the binary sequence of the corresponding audio file. Adding secret messages in digital sound is much more difficult process when compared to others such as image steganography. Different methods of audio steganography include least significant bit encoding, parity encoding, phase coding, spread spectrum. This method hides the data in WAV, AU, and even MP3 sound files. So next we are going to discuss about video steganography. In video steganography, you can hide kind of data into digital video format. The advantage of the type is a large amount of data can be hidden inside, and the fact that it is a moving stream of images and sounds. You can think of this as the combination of image steganography and audio steganography. Two main classes of video steganography include embedding data in uncompressed raw video and compressing it later. Embedding data directly into the compressed data stream. The next one is network steganography. It is also known as protocol steganography. It is the technique of embedding information within network control protocols used in a data transmission such as TCP, UDP, ICMP, etc. You can use steganography in some convert channels that you can find in the OSI model. For example, you can hide information in the header of a TCP IP packet in some fields that are either optional. So we will discuss about how we can use steganography without using tool. So for that we need command prompt, one text file and one image file. Okay, so first we need to write some data, or we need to write some information in the notepad. You can use a wordpad or word also, but I'll prefer notepad. So first we need to go for notepad. Okay, so here is a notepad. Here I am going to write a few words. Hi, I am founder of key saver and my Facebook password is 1234567. Guys, don't do it because it's not my real FB password. Okay, so just don't do it. Okay, so now I have created one notepad file, that is text file. So first I need to save it. Okay, whenever you are going to save the image file or text file, you need to save it on only one location. Otherwise you need to be worried about that you have to put the both things will be in at one locations only. So first I need to save this file, save as. Okay, so I'll prefer both files will be on desktop only. So now here I am name the file, that is a. So a.txt. So after that we need to convert this a text file into rar text file. Okay, so this one is our a text file. So after that we need to convert this a into rar file. Okay, for that you need to download WinRAR. Then and then only you can compress this file. You just need to go for add to archive. So your rar file is created. Okay, this one is my rar file. Rar file, it means that the file will be compressed and it will be in a folder only. Okay, so this one is our rar file. Okay, so I don't need this text file, so I can delete it. So it will be not confusion for us for which file we have to taken for that steganography. So after that we need to download any kind of image. It will be in a jpg format. So we can directly download from Google. Otherwise you can use any of your personal images also. Okay, so let's get started. So here I will JPEG or JPG. Okay, these are the both form you need to be worry about it. The image file and the extension of that image is JPG or JPG. Okay, you need to download that file. Okay, don't copy or paste, because yes, for that we need to download this file. So we can download any kind of file, image file. So I will go for this. Okay, you can use your personal image also or any kind of image, but yes, it is in the form of JPG or JPEG. Okay, so now I have to save image as, and the image file will be also will be saved on desktop. So our text or rar file and our jpg file will be also saving. Also now I'm here rename the file to the b, so it will be easy to recognize our image file also. Okay, so now our rar and image file will be downloaded. So I am closing this window. Now this one is our rar file and this one is our image file. So now we need to open command prompt. Okay, so here is in HP, so you need to change directly towards the CD desktop, because our both image and rar file will be on desktop. Okay, so change directly to the desktop. Next we are going to write command, that is copy space slanting line b space a dot rar plus b dot jpg is c.jpg. So our steganographic image will be in the form of image and it will be named c.jpg. Okay, after b stands for binary, because our laptop or computer only understand the binary language, that is 0 and 1 language. So enter. So yes, you can clearly see here our rar and jpg file are copied. So now we are going to see our C image. Okay, this one is our image. Okay, this one is our steganographic image. So how we can see, because yes, if I want to share this file with the my another one or my colleague, so I need to be very careful that yes, this one is my steganography image because I have created it, but my receiver or my recipient did not know about this one is file. In that I have put some important information, so how they can see it. Okay, so for that we need to open this image file into WinRAR. Okay, so choose another app, more apps. You need to open this file in WinRAR. Okay, WinRAR archiver, then okay. Okay, so here you can see our text file. Okay, so yes, I'm a founder of KeyCyber and my Facebook password is 123429. Okay, this is how the steganography will be done without using tool. In previous video, we have seen steganography with using tool with ZIO steganography tool. Okay, so thanks for watching. For more updates related to cyber security, stay tuned with KeyCyber and also subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for new updates. तब तक be aware, be secure because cybercrime never pays. Thank you.